Welcome everyone, I'm Chris. As usual, another episode of my portfolio review. And as you can see, I hold like 15 investments in my portfolio, and 3 out of 14, 3 of them were ETFs, and another 11 were stocks. So let's review the my top quality A1 stocks and ETFs. So which all those I want? First one is like first I will be discussing about my ETFs. So first ETF I have which all the Fung ETF. I've done like separately video of them. What all the stocks I in the Fung ETFs and how those things are working, how companies are doing, what all the more these companies Fung ETFs they are like top quality companies in the world. So I own it, and they have like good moat, everything is good very well in this ETF and fund companies. That's why I'm holding the, I believe so that's why will be adding more and more when the price falls. Like currently I hold my like 35 rupees for the last buy call, and if the CDF value come below 35, I will be buying like more aggressively. So that's all about my first ETF. Second ETF, let's come to silver ETF. Silver ETF has done very much quite well for me, and it has also like went to like ETF price of 7 more than 72 rupees I think. So which the like average on an average I bought that ETF for 55 rupees. Here are the prices we will. So if this one also came below like 55 rupees, I will be like likely to add more of my values to this ETF. So it is as like discussed in another episode, the silvers commodities will do very well as I think in future. So that's why second ETF is my silver ETF. Like gold ETF, like this is for defensive purpose, I am holding gold. So it is also doing very well, and which I hold like 9% profit in the third ETF, that is gold ETF, and 14% in silver ETF, and 15% in fung ETFs. So this is all about my ETFs. So now coming to stocks. So stocks, this is the top quality, the like restaurant company stock, that is Jubilant Food Works. Like I like the amount of this company. That's why like Domino's Pizza's brand, and it is quite doing very well in India. That's why I'm holding, and it also has lot of like a lot of like okay like presence on other countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Netherlands, some other countries also. So next second stock which I hold in my in my portfolio, that is like Sun TV. Sun TV is like radio and broadcasting TV channel, broadcast channel, and it is like one of the companies which has like a very profit margin and return on investment. That's why I'm holding it, and it also give very much what dividend yield. So with dividends, that's why it is quite well. And let's see how bad the company is, not like more emerging, but in future let's see how the things will go, and then also it will be fine for me, and it is like giving more, making more profit. That's what I like to say. So my third stock, which is top quality paint company, that is Asian Paints. Here I own like 5 shares of them, and this one is like one of the stocks which have like a loss, like 10% loss in, and it is a top quality stock. That's why I'm holding, and I will be adding more and more aggressively even it falls below. So that's all about that thing. And when it come to Infosys IT stock, and I own very, very low quantity of this one. Why I'm like holding very quantity? Because I know like due to Nasdaq falling, and the US economic slowdown, and Europe's economic slowdown, IT stocks may come under like pressure. That's why I'm holding one stock only. So if it falls like below my buying like price 1395 rupees, I will be likely to buy more of this Infosys stocks. So pre-sale like from last 4 weeks I have been adding like every week one by one stock of this pre-sale, that is the top quality stock in an financial service and the credit rating service. Crisel in India, 90% of the credit rating stocks credit rating was done by Crisel. So it has like 90% market shares. So that's why I'm holding this one, and it is also very good for me, and it is also giving very much good dividends. So that's why I would like to add more exposure to this one. let's see in future what will happen. And SCL Technology, another best stock which has like 23% profit in my portfolio, and it is doing quite very well. So it is one of the IT stocks which is doing very well. So that's all about that. And next, coming to Varun Beverages. So these all the stocks and exposure the time when I bought in Varun Beverages. So totally I hold 12 shares in Varun Beverages, and it is doing very well. So it's not a bad. And like total profits of 12%, that is 1763 rupees. So one of the Pepsi and other people's drinks and beverages done by Varun Beverages. So I'm holding it. I will buy in more because it has like pricing power. If they increase the like drinks price, then also people would like to buy and they will buy. So TCS, another good stock, IT service. So it is also quite doing very well in my portfolio, and it also given like special dividend last month. So dividends giving stocks are which are more likely I will buy, and it is very much good to get dividends for me. And Hindustan Liver, another good stock which I hold in FMCG market. And all of the stocks which I hold in here are like very much down. So that's not a problem. I will add it more when it falls below 2350 or 2400. Another stock, Pidilite Industry. This is one of the stock which has the Asian Paints, which has fallen like 10% in my portfolio. So Pidilite is a very much good company which I hold, and I believe so. That's why I'm holding it, and I will be adding more and more in future. So that's all about Pidilite. And another one jewelry stock, that is Titan. Titan is also like down in my portfolio, and I don't think like so it will be like going aggressively down, because this is the company which has outperformed the market from longer period of time. These all the stocks like top companies, top stocks in my portfolio: Titan, Pidilite, Hindustan Unilever, uh, TCS, Varun Beverages, HCL Technology, kris, Infosys, Asian Paints, Sun TV, Jubilant Food. Was like these all the stocks which have done from years outperform the market. So let's see how I will be adding my portfolio these things to these stocks in like aggressively in a future. Let's see how my portfolio will do now with these stocks and ETFs. So I believe so these stocks are like even stock. So now I will be like, one of my portfolio's goal is to consistently beat the Nifty 50 index year over year. Let's compare it now. Now I'll be comparing my portfolio with Nifty 50. First one is blue, that is my portfolio line, and second one is Nifty 50 yellow color, that is Nifty 50 index. When comparing one day, my portfolio is up for quite I have very much difference in my portfolio and Nifty 50 index. So let's compare in 5 days. 5 days my portfolio is down slightly compared to Nifty 50, and in 1 month my portfolio is down, but not as much as Nifty 50. Even 6 months my portfolio has done more than 3% against Nifty 50 index. So this is how my portfolio looks. Let's see in future how the things will go with my portfolio. And here is my broker account, the stocks which I hold, same quantity which will I'm holding it right now, and you can also see here. So let's see my insights. And here is like a large cap 77% I hold, mid cap 20%, small cap 2%, FMCG contribute more 31%, paints 14%, chemicals 13%, credit rating, diamond 11, 12, approximately 12%, restaurants 6.84%, IT 6%, entertainment 2.64%. And while coming to allocation wise, my investments were here. You can see from top to Pidilite to gold ETF very much low, and my current values which all the stocks like Hindustan Unilever, current value of the Hindustan Unilever is 14,000. Sorry, first one is Varun Beverages, current value of the stock, and last one is gold ETF. So that's all about this my portfolio update. So next week let's see how my portfolio will done, and see you at that time. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.